Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Life. Today I have an interesting device. This is a Xiaomi Mijia portable vacuum cleaner, and this will be one of the most powerful portable vacuum cleaner in the market. This is a handheld vacuum cleaner and it is powered by a 10.8 volt 2000 milliamp hour lithium ion battery, and it has a 88,000 rpm DC brushless motor. The power of the vacuum cleaner is 120 watts and the specified suction power of the vacuum cleaner is 13,000 pascals, and it also has HEPA filtration, so that is quite good and necessary for any vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner can run for 30 minutes on the normal mode, and on the powerful mode it can run for 9 minutes. It has a Type-C charging support and it can be charged at 5 volts 2 amperes, and it weighs only 500 grams, so that is quite portable and it can be carried around, and you can use it for cleaning places where you cannot reach with your standard vacuum cleaner, and you can use it to clean your car as well. For me, I'm going to use this to clean my desktop computer, laptop computer and keyboards. So in this video I'm going to unbox it and then I'll test it, and I'll also compare this vacuum cleaner with my standard handheld vacuum cleaner that I have. I think this is going to be more powerful than my standard vacuum cleaner. Now let's open it and see what is there inside. So it opens up like this. They provided a Type-C cable. This is a small brush and this is a longer brush, and this is the vacuum cleaner itself. It looks like a water bottle, and this is the user's manual. Since this product is released only in China right now, it is in Chinese, but we're expecting it to be released internationally soon. It has a Type-C port at the bottom and you can attach your cleaning accessories on top. These are the instructions on how to remove or replace the HEPA filters and clean the filters. I'll show you how to do that, and that's it. Let's keep it aside. So let's open the vacuum cleaner. So this is the vacuum cleaner itself and it is looking quite good. This is the Type-C charging port, and this is where we can attach the cleaning accessories. Let's check the other things. So these are the two accessories that they provided. I think you can attach these two like this, and you can attach it to the vacuum cleaner like this. So this is how we can attach, and we can just use the short one like this if you don't need the extension. If you don't want the brush head, you can just also use like this. Let's take the cable length. The cable length is 90 centimeters, and let's try to charge. So it's currently charging and it is blinking here, so the light indicator. And in order to access the dust container and the filter, then you need to pull back this. This is unlocked mode, and you can just press it here, then it will open automatically. So it is very easy to clean. Don't forget to lock it before using, because if you don't lock it, then it may open when you're using the vacuum cleaner. Now let's check how to remove the filters. So you can detach the dust compartment from the main body like this. So if you rotate it anti-clockwise, you can pull it out like this. This is the suction, and you should not turn on without the filter, because if something gets stuck here, then it's not going to work. You can just remove the filters like this. So these are the filters. Here are instructions of how to unlock the steel filter, the steel mesh filter. So you can just rotate it anti-clockwise and remove the steel mesh filter, and this is the mesh filter, and it is going to filter out most of the large particles. And the HEPA filter has a efficiency of 99%, so it's going to filter out most of the dust particles. And I think this is washable, so you can wash it and reuse it multiple times. When it wears out, you have to replace it, but the steel filter need not be replaced. So this is a dust compartment, and it is not very large, but it is enough for a portable vacuum cleaner. So these are the components, and now let's put it back and I'll test it. Now I have put it back, and let's try to turn it on. There is a power button here. So when you press it once, it's going to start in the normal mode, and when you press it again, it is going to be in the powerful or the power mode. The power mode is supposed to be 13,000 pascals. I'll test the decibel levels using my smartphone and I'll show you the results. You can listen to the noise levels for level 1 and level 2 here. So let's press it one time. This is level 1, and if you press it again, it'll be in level 2. This is level 2, and if you press it again, it'll be turned off. So that's how we operate. It is not very loud. The first level is not loud at all, and the second level is quite okay. So the battery level indicator will turn red when it has a low charge. In that case, you need to recharge it. Here, this is the battery level is getting low. So when the battery level is low, you cannot go to the high mode. So this vacuum cleaner is quite intelligent. If the power is low, you can still use the vacuum cleaner for a normal cleaning mode, but not the power mode. Now I'll fully charge this vacuum cleaner, and then I'll test the suction capabilities of the vacuum cleaner, and I'll compare it with my main handheld vacuum cleaner. One thing that you should note is you cannot use the vacuum cleaner when it is charging. Now for the test and comparison, I have laid out equal amounts of granola and cashew nuts on the ground. I'll clean it up using my main handheld vacuum cleaner and the new Mijia portable vacuum cleaner. The main vacuum cleaner that I have is the Divya D18 handheld vacuum cleaner. I'll use the highest power setting for both the vacuum cleaners to clean up the mess. I'll clean up the left side first with my main vacuum cleaner. So it is cleaned up nicely, and as you can see, it's not falling off, so that is good. Let's keep it aside, and now let's try the Mijia handheld portable vacuum cleaner. So I'll use the highest power setting. So as you can see, it has beautifully cleaned up the mess, and I feel that this is more powerful than the main vacuum cleaner that I have. I'll dump the trash. Just unlock this button like this, and then you can simply press it and everything should fall off. So that's good. So now I have dumped off everything. The only disadvantage that this vacuum cleaner will have is the small dust compartment compared to the larger dust compartment in the main vacuum cleaner. But this is supposed to be a portable vacuum cleaner, so we cannot expect it to have a very big dust compartment. So that was a test and comparison of the vacuum cleaners. So that was the review of the vacuum cleaner, and I think it is quite portable and is very useful device, especially if you want to clean some places where you cannot reach with your main vacuum cleaner, and it's going to be very useful for cleaning your car. The suction of the vacuum cleaner is quite powerful, and I will say that this is one of the most powerful portable vacuum cleaner in the market right now. So if you like the vacuum cleaner, please purchase it from my affiliate links that I have given in my video description. It will help my channel. And if you like the review, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.